Digital marketing and social media, terminology explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital marketing and social media. If you're preparing for job interviews in the marketing sector, understanding these terms can give you a significant edge. Let's get started. Digital marketing refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. Unlike traditional marketing, which involves physical means like print ads and billboards, digital marketing campaigns are primarily executed online. SEO, search engine optimization, the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. PPC, pay-per-click, a method of driving traffic to your website by paying a publisher every time your ad is clicked. Google AdWords is one of the most common PPC platforms. Content marketing, creating and promoting content assets for the purpose of generating brand awareness, traffic growth, and lead generation. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve your marketing and branding goals. It includes activities like posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that drives audience engagement. Organic reach, the number of people who see your post without paid distribution. It includes people who are shown your post in their own feed or because a friend engaged with it. Paid reach, the number of people who see your post because you paid to promote it. Engagement rate, the percentage of people who saw a post and engaged with it. Liked, shared, commented. Understanding these metrics can help assess the performance of your digital campaigns. Center, click-through rate, the ratio of users who click on a specific link to the number of total users who view a page, email, or advertisement. Conversion rate, the percentage of visitors to a website that complete a desired goal out of the total number of visitors. Bounce rate, the percentage of visitors to a site who navigate away from the site after viewing only one page. And there you have it. A concise breakdown of the essential terms in digital marketing and social media. I hope this gives you a clear understanding and boosts your confidence in your next marketing interview. Remember, understanding these terms not only helps you during interviews but also in implementing effective marketing strategies. Happy learning!